In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to erase part of an image here in Kittl. Now, once you have your image like this, it's best to already do this on a PNG, a transparent PNG, and I'll show you why that is in a second. But once you have your image that you want to erase part of, we simply want to click onto that image. We can click onto the eraser tool just here, or we can click on the three dots and come to eraser just there. But once we click on here, if there's anything that we want to erase, we can simply click over that and erase it out of the image, just like that. So it's actually really simple to do. Now, the reason that you need a PNG image like this is because if your image looks like this and then you try to erase part of the image, it's just going to do that. So as you can see, we're obviously not going to want that to happen. So again, what we want to do first is actually create a PNG image. We can do that really easy here in Kittl as well by clicking onto the image and then coming down to remove background. Now this eraser tool and remove background is also a Kittl Pro feature. You can't actually do this on the paid version. Now, as you can see, we've removed the background of that, but we're going to have to erase this little part as well. So if we zoom in, come to the eraser tool, zoom in again, we can just erase that right out of the image, just like that. And again, once we have the PNG image, if there's anything that we want to erase, it's really, really simple. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to erase part of an image here in Kittl. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.